All right, this time we're going to look at kind of the advanced uses of discussion boards. In the last video, we talked about how a student could either attach an image or a document or possibly a link to a discussion board post to back up a stance that they're taking on an issue. So I want to show you what that will look like and how you can go ahead and do that. So the student would come to the discussion board, they would click on the subject, and then they would click reply. So I've already inserted a reply here as if I was a student. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and edit this response. Okay. So the student responded by, here's my quick response. And we want to insert a document, a link, and an image to support their stance. So what you'll notice will happen is if I go up here to click insert and I click image or picture from computer, it's going to ask me to browse for the image. So I'm going to find a quick image here. And then it says here upload to, okay? Site assets is a document library that only teachers will use. So this document library won't work. And what will work is by creating an additional document library that's specifically for discussion board pictures or discussion board documents. And you do that by using the JT Learn Feature Builder. So here in my Feature Builder, I want to create a document library for student work. And then you're going to go ahead and name it something like discussion board pics / docs, so for pictures and for documents. And you want to add this discussion board to probably, well, it depends on if you're using course level or period level sites. So you'll have to make that decision. I'll just go ahead and add it to a period level here. And then I don't need any of the alerts associated with this, and I don't need to add columns. I just want a place for students to be able to upload either pictures or documents so that they can attach them to that discussion board. So when I click finish, it's going to tell me that my document library for student work has been created. It's called discussion board pics / docs. Now we'll go back to the discussion board and we'll see how that works. Okay, so now that we're back in our discussion board, you'll notice I have this document library for discussion board pics. I select that. It just gives me a quick warning message. It's okay to go ahead and click the OK button. And the student can name it. If they want, there's probably a name already there. Click Save. And then the image will be inserted into the discussion board post. Okay. Something else that they can do is they can also insert or upload a file. So I'm going to go ahead and just browse for a quick Word document. So here I'm going to upload this document. And then you see now there's a link to a Word document that is backing up this student stance. And the final thing that you can do is you can upload a link. You can take any link from any address and paste in that URL right there. So I will grab a quick link here. Any link is fine. And then here's the link. Now you see within the discussion board, the student could write their response, they could insert an image, they could insert a document, and they could insert a link to back up or support the stance that they're taking based on the topic. And remember, in order to do that, they have to create that discussion board, or I'm sorry, the document library for pictures and for documents.